Here is the clean text for your AI voice generator. There are over 600 Linux distributions out there, and in 2025, about 595 of them are, well, basically the same. If you're tired of installing a new OS every weekend, hoping this one will finally be the one, stop. I've narrowed it down to the absolute best distros for this year, whether you're a complete beginner, a hardcore developer, or a gamer who just wants high FPS. Let's find your new daily driver. First up, if you are coming from Windows and you just want your computer to work without opening a terminal, the king is still Linux Mint, specifically the Cinnamon edition. People keep trying to dethrone Mint, but in 2025, it's still the most stable, polished experience for a new user. The layout is familiar. Taskbar at the bottom, start menu on the left. It doesn't force updates on you, it doesn't spy on you, and it has a tool called Timeshift pre-installed. This basically lets you take a snapshot of your system. If you break something, you just click Restore and you're back in business. It makes the OS nearly unbreakable. Now, let's talk gaming. If you watched this video 2 years ago, I would have said Pop OS. But in 2025, there is a new champion, Bazzite. Bazzite is basically SteamOS, but for your desktop PC. It gives you that console-like experience where you boot directly into your game library. It comes with NVIDIA drivers pre-installed, OBS for streaming, and tools like Decky Loader already set up. If you have a gaming PC or a handheld like the ROG Ally or Legion Go, Bazzite is the best gaming experience on Linux, period. I have to mention Pop OS because their new Cosmic Desktop has finally landed. It is incredibly fast and organizes your windows automatically. If you game and code, stick with Pop OS. If you are a developer, a sysadmin, or just a power user, the standard answer used to be Fedora Workstation. And honestly, it's still amazing. It's upstream, it pushes the latest tech, and it's what Linus Torvalds uses. But the cool kids in 2025 are moving to Project Bluefin. Bluefin is built on Fedora, but it's an atomic or immutable distro. That means the core operating system is locked down. You can't accidentally break it. It comes with a developer experience built in. It handles all your containers, homebrew, and drivers automatically. It's like having the reliability of a Chromebook, but the power of a Linux workstation. If you want to feel like you're living in the future, install Bluefin. Do you have an old laptop sitting in a drawer collecting dust? Don't throw it away. Install Linux Mint XFCE or Endeavour OS. If you want to learn how Arch Linux works without the pain of installing it manually, Endeavour OS is the gateway drug. It's lightweight, fast, and gives you access to the AUR, which has basically every piece of software ever written. So, here is the verdict for 2025. Beginner? Get Linux Mint. Gamer? Get Bazzite. Developer? Try Bluefin or Fedora. Hardcore? Arch, obviously. I've linked the download pages for all of these in the description below. Let me know in the comments, which distro are you daily driving?